You know that feeling where you want to do the thing, you know you need to do the thing, but your body just won't move. You're sitting there, scrolling, frozen, getting more frustrated by the second. And the louder that inner voice gets, just start, just do it, the worse it feels. That's ADHD paralysis. It's not laziness, it's not a lack of motivation. It's your brain getting overwhelmed by too many choices, too many steps, too much pressure. So instead of choosing, it shuts down. Sometimes even thinking about a simple decision feels like lifting a mountain. And the worst part, we blame ourselves for it. But ADHD paralysis is not a character flaw, it's a freeze response, and the more shame you add, the deeper you get stuck. So how do you actually get out of ADHD paralysis? You stop aiming for completion, you start aiming for movement. Read 1 page, do 10 sit-ups, walk for 5 minutes, take a shower even if you don't feel ready, sit in the sun for 2 minutes. These work because they bypass the thinking brain and activate the body first. ADHD paralysis lives in the mind, but movement pulls you out of it. Another thing that really helps is taking the pressure off. Instead of telling yourself, I have to finish this, tell yourself, I'm allowed to stop whenever I want. When your brain feels forced, it freezes. But when it knows there is an exit, it relaxes. And a relaxed brain is far more likely to cooperate. You're not tricking yourself, you're creating safety. Here are a few more ways to get unstuck based on how ADHD nervous system actually works, not willpower. First, shrink the time, not the task. Instead of saying I need to work out, say I'll move my body for 3 minutes. Set a timer, stop when it rings if you want, but most of the time, you'd probably want to continue. Second, change your location. Paralysis feeds on staying still. Stand up, walk to the balcony, step outside. A small shift in the environment can break the freeze instantly. Third, use body first actions. When your mind is jammed, don't negotiate with it. Stretch for 30 seconds. Splash water on your face. Walk while listening to music. Movement tells your nervous system, we are safe, we are not stuck. And that's the truth about ADHD paralysis. You don't beat it by pushing harder. You get out of it by making things smaller, lighter, and safer. 1 minute, 1 movement, that's enough. That's day 21 of my 365 videos in 365 days challenge. Subscribe or follow, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.